Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to unfollow feeds on Bluesky web app. So as you guys see, I'm on the feeds menu. I'm gonna click to homepage, then I click on to feeds, and all you need to do is just go to the profile and settings and click on content and media, click manage save feeds, and as you see, all you need to do is just unpin it, unpin everything to unfollow, and click the trash bin, and as you see, that should be it. Let me wait a second. I didn't actually save those changes. Make sure to save those changes by clicking at the top, and as you'll see, it looks like it's all unfollowed. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.